So today we're going to show you how to prepare fries from the green bananas. Some people call it frog banana, some people call it the 𝐥𝐤𝐤 banana. The small fig bananas, the baby bananas, these are good. You can use this in the same way when they're green to make the fries, okay? So these are the ingredients that we're using today. So we have the avocado oil, onion powder, sea salt, and allspice seasoning. We've got our green bananas, also known as 𝐥𝐤𝐤 bananas or frog bananas. Okay, they got this kind of, these edges really defined, almost like a 90-degree angle, you know. There's bananas that look closely there's bananas that resemble these 𝐥𝐤𝐤 bananas or frog bananas, but these ones have a very defined edge, you know, almost 90 degrees, almost a 90-degree edge, very defined. So look out for it. Alright, so we're going to use the 𝐥𝐤𝐤 bananas, we're going to use the avocado, the onion powder, sea salt, and some allspice seasoning. You can use any seasoning you want, okay? The Alkaline list of seasoning is vast. So yeah, and then you need your bowl, your mixing bowl, and your mixing spoon, and also a knife. So first of all, I'm gonna show you how I cut the green banana. So the first thing you wanna do is remove the edges, okay? Or remove the ends, should I say. Alright, and then what I like to do is create little slices, and even on all four sides. You can make a 5th slice. Some people even like to make a 6th slice, but you should be giving it at least 4 to 5 slices. Okay, and then once you've made the slices, you want to put your knife. Some people can do it. I'm gonna do it both ways. You want to put your knife in between to try and lift up. You see that? To try and lift up the skin. And once you've done that, you can now take your finger and start to remove. Sometimes it just follows through all the way, but they should come off a slice at a time. But as you can see, mine is looking like it wants to go all the way through, but you get the idea of peeling this. A lot of people complain about it releases a sticky kind of, you know, glue, and then wear gloves. I don't know, but when you do this, you'll find that it creates like a sticky substance. It sticks to your fingers. So that's it. And any green residue, what you want to do is just remove it. Now what you want to do is cut your banana in half and then slice it down the middle on its edge. Okay, remember, on its edge, not here, here. Alright, and then once you've done that, you want to give it 3 individual slices. sorry, 2 individual slices. You could do 3 depending on how thin you want your fries to be. And that is it, really. And then you put these into your mixing bowl and you just follow it through. You can make this slices thinner if you like. It's all completely up to you. Once they've been cut, you want to start seasoning it with some of the allspice to give it some color. You can also use something called 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐞, some sea salt, some onion powder, some people like to put oil on top of it or all over it, because, not garnish it, but so that the seasoning can stick to the bananas. Alright, that was pretty easy, to be honest. And then what we want to do is take this to the frying pan. You allow that to fry for about 10 minutes in the avocado oil, and it's done. This is just the healthiest alternative if you like fries, if you actually like the way fries taste. But this is made from things that are alkaline. And there you have it, the alkaline fries. You see, this was created very simply. The ingredients I used are the ingredients I use. You might decide to use different ingredients, which is okay, because everybody's on their own journey. You know, you might put less of something, more of something, 3 different things, 4 different things. I've created this as I would create it for myself in my environment. You might say, oh, I put agave in mine. I put a little bit of agave on top of my green bananas before I fry them. That's cool. That's part of your journey. That's what you do. But other than that, it's a very simple recipe. I know a lot of people also say, oh, but oil is not good for you, and you know the wrong oils are not good for you. You know, when you cook with coconut oil, you turn the oil into a carcinogen. The oil begins to smoke. When you cook with olive oil, when you're frying with olive oil as well, you're turning the oil into a carcinogen. The oil begins to smoke. But frying with high heat, it's good to fry with grapeseed oil, you know, the oil from the grapes. Grapeseed oil, avocado oil is the 2 first recommended because they don't influence the taste of your food. And then the second 2 is hemp seed oil and sesame seed oil. But other than that, you shouldn't use any other oils to fry with. All other oils are harmful to the human body. It will clog your arteries. Okay, these are the best alternative to fries, period. All fries on the planet Earth. I believe that this is where they got the idea to make fries, but they thought that this way was, you know, too strenuous, too long, takes up too much time. But the patient man and the patient woman is always rewarded. Okay, something that's worth having, it's not going to be easy to acquire. You know, you got to dig deep into the ground to find diamonds, to find gold. It takes time. So, you know, take your time, learn, grow, you know, teach, and enjoy the journey. Everyone's on a different road. We will all one day meet up at the same junction and then set off again on different roads. Alkaline French fries, 100% electrical for the electric body.